Once, in a peaceful forest filled with chirping birds and blooming flowers, there stood an ancient oak tree. This was no ordinary tree, it could talk. The animals called it the talking tree, and they often came to it for advice. One sunny day, a curious little squirrel named Sammy was hopping around the forest. Sammy loved exploring, but he wasn't always careful. While leaping from one tree to another, he accidentally knocked down a bird's nest. "Oh no!" cried Betty the bird, flapping her wings in panic. "My eggs! My home!" Sammy froze. I didn't mean to." "I'm sorry," he said, but Betty was very upset. Nearby, the talking tree, with its wise and gentle voice, said, "Sammy, come here. I have something to show you." Sammy slowly hopped over, his tail drooping. "I didn't mean to hurt anyone. It was an accident," he explained. The talking tree's massive branches swayed in the breeze. "I know it was an accident, Sammy, but accidents can still hurt others. Let me teach you something important." The tree rustled its leaves, and suddenly, it opened a small hollow in its trunk. Inside was a shiny, golden seed. "This is the seed of understanding," said the talking tree. "If you want to make things right, plant this seed and watch what happens." Sammy nodded and quickly dug a small hole in the ground. He placed the golden seed inside and covered it with soil. "Now, water it with something special," the tree said. "Something special?" Sammy asked, tilting his head. "Yes," the tree replied. "You must water it with your kindness and actions." Sammy thought for a moment. He turned to Betty and said, "I'm really sorry for knocking down your nest. Let me help you build a new one." Betty, still a bit sad, nodded. "Okay, Sammy." Together, they gathered twigs, leaves, and soft feathers. Sammy worked harder than ever, carefully placing each twig just right. After hours of teamwork, Betty had a beautiful new nest. As they finished, the golden seed sprouted. A tiny green plant emerged from the soil. "Wow!" Sammy exclaimed. "It's growing." The talking tree smiled. "That's because you watered it with your kindness. But there's more to learn." The tree shook its branches, and a gust of wind blew Sammy's fur. "Kindness must also grow like this plant. Every time you help someone, it will get stronger." Sammy understood. From that day on, he became the most helpful squirrel in the forest. He helped the ants carry food, played gently with the rabbits, and always apologized when he made a mistake. The golden plant grew taller and taller, turning into a beautiful tree with shimmering leaves. It became a symbol of kindness and understanding for everyone in the forest. One day, Betty thanked Sammy. "You've become a wonderful friend. All the animals in the forest admire you now." Sammy smiled, looking at the golden tree. He realized the talking tree was right, kindness grows when you share it. And so, Sammy, Betty, and the talking tree lived happily, spreading kindness and wisdom throughout the forest. The end.